Table napkin folding is an art of shaping napkins into decorative forms, adding an element of elegance to dining table settings. From simple folds to elaborate designs, the tradition of napkin folding has been a hallmark of fine dining and formal occasions for centuries.
The fan fold is one of the most popular in classic napkin folding techniques. It's simple yet adds an elegant touch to any table setting. The fan fold is perfect for formal diners and casual events alike, offering both simplicity and sophistication. The Fleur-de-lis fold is a napkin fold that is inspired by the historic symbol of French royalty. The napkin is folded in a shape that mimics the iconic fleur-de-lis, with 3 points standing upright and the rest of the napkin lying flat on the table or cup. This fold is relatively simple, but has a stately refined appearance, making it a perfect for formal occasions. The spider plant fold is an intricate and whimsical napkin fold that resembles the long, delicate leaves of a spider plant. The napkin is folded in a way that creates numerous narrow strands radiating outward, giving the appearance of a thin, arching leaves of a spider plant. This fold is a bit more advanced and is sure to impress guests with its complexity and unique look. The candle fold is an elegant and tall fold that mimics the shape of a candle. The napkin is rolled tightly and then the top is shaped to resemble a flickering candle flame. This fold stands upright on the glass, adding a height and elegance to the table setting. The candle fold is perfect for romantic dinners or holiday celebrations. The knight fold is a unique and distinguished napkin fold inspired by the armor of medieval knights. The fold creates a design that resembles a knight's helmet or shield. It is a slightly more complex fold that adds a sense of formality and grandeur to the table setting. The knight fold is perfect for themed events or historical reenactments.